Hello everyone. Let me ask you a simple question. If I asked you today, is your business secure? What would your answer be? Many business owners immediately say, yes, we have an antivirus installed. But let me tell you something that surprises most people. Having an antivirus does not mean your business is fully protected. Today, cybercriminals are no longer targeting only large corporations like Microsoft or Google. In fact, small and medium businesses have become one of the biggest targets because attackers know that most of them don't have dedicated cybersecurity teams or advanced security tools. So, in today's video, I'll explain why cybersecurity is no longer optional for small businesses, what the biggest risks are, and how you can start protecting your company before it's too late. When people hear the word cyberattack, they immediately imagine a hacker wearing a hoodie typing furiously in a dark room. But that's not how most businesses lose their data. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you own a CA firm with 10 employees. One employee is working on tax documents for a client. Before leaving the company, that employee copies all the client files onto a USB drive. No hacking, no virus, no ransom, just a simple copy and paste. Now imagine another employee uploads confidential company documents to their personal Google Drive because they want to work from home. Again, no hacker. Another employee takes screenshots of salary details or financial reports and shares them on WhatsApp. Within a few minutes, your confidential business information is outside your organization. Most businesses don't even know this is happening. Today's workplace has changed completely. Employees use laptops, USB drives, smartphones, cloud storage, AI tools, personal email accounts, and messaging apps every day. While these tools improve productivity, they also create new security risks. Think about the type of information your company stores. Or database, employee record, GST document, invoices, report, business proposal, other information. Imagine if even one of these files ended up with a competitor or became publicly available. The financial loss would be significant, but the damage to your company's reputation could be even worse. Many businesses recover from hardware failures. Many recover from internet outages. But rebuilding customer trust after a data leak is much more difficult. This is where many business owners get confused. An antivirus is designed to detect malicious software like viruses, ransomware, and trojans. But antivirus cannot stop an employee from copying files to a USB drive. It cannot prevent someone from uploading confidential files to Google Drive. It usually cannot stop screenshots of sensitive information, and it cannot enforce company policies like restricting downloads or blocking specific websites. In other words, antivirus protects your computer. Data protection protects your business. Both are important, but they solve different problems. So what should a business owner do? The first step is visibility. You need to know what is happening on your company devices. Second step is control. The authorized USB devices should be allowed. Sensitive information should not be copied without permission. Important files should not be uploaded to personal cloud storage. Downloads from risky websites should be controlled. Security policies should be managed from one central dashboard instead of configuring every computer individually. The goal isn't to spy on employees. The goal is to protect the business, the customer, and the employees themselves. This is exactly why we built AsterGuard. AsterGuard is designed specifically for Indian small and medium businesses that need enterprise-level protection without enterprise-level complexity. With AsterGuard, businesses can control USB access, prevent unauthorized file transfer, monitor company devices, enforce security policies, and gain better visibility into how business data is being used. It's simple to deploy, easy to manage, and designed to help growing businesses protect what matters most, their data. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT problem. It's a business problem. Whether you have 5 employees or 500, your data deserves protection. The best time to invest in cybersecurity isn't after an incident. It's before one happens. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Every week, I'll be sharing practical cybersecurity tips, real-world examples, and simple advice that every business owner can understand. And if you'd like to see how AsterGuard can help protect your organization, book a free demo using the link in the description or visit our website. Thank you for watching.